Guys, today's video is going to be me showing you some of my favorite drugstore makeup products. So I'm just going to show you stuff that I love to use every day that's from the drugstore. If you guys have any of your favorite products that I haven't mentioned, please let me know because I would love to try them out. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm just going to randomly grab products from my lap. So I guess the first product I'm going to be showing you is this Ardell Brow Defining Kit. I like this because it has the light highlight shade and it also has 3 different shades of brown. I like to use this lighter gray brown on the front of my brows and then the dark brown on the outer and middle. The next product I have here is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Hello Halo. It's a liquid highlight. When I went, they didn't really have all of the colors, but this is the one that I got and I really like it. I like to use it as a base for my powder highlight. I didn't do that today, I really should have, but I really like this liquid highlight as a base. While we're talking about Wet n Wild, I have this liquid catsuit liquid lipstick. I love these, I have so many of them, and I'm actually wearing this one right now, which is called Missy and Fierce. A lot of people say that they remind them of the Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks, and I really do like them. I would totally recommend you try them out if you haven't already. Next is this concealer that I've been using every day. I use this under my eyes and some people do complain that it gets cakey and creasy, but if you know how to work with it, it's really not bad. This is the NYX Got You Covered and I am in the shade Ivory. Next is another NYX product and this is the NYX Total Control Drop Foundation. And what shade am I in? This is the shade Light. It is a little bit light for me right now, but it is almost gone. It is a dropper style. But I do like this foundation. It feels really nice and lightweight and thin, but it does give you a decent amount of coverage, especially if you layer it. So moving on to my next product. This is going to be the Wet n Wild concealer, photo focus concealer. I really like this concealer. It gives you a good amount of coverage and it doesn't get cakey and stuff. It's a really nice formula. So I would totally also recommend you guys try out this Wet n Wild product. Next I have the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Erasing Primer. It's supposed to be kind of like the Benefit Professional. I went ahead and got this one instead of the Professional because I have some of the Benefit one left, but I wanted to get a primer that I wasn't afraid to put a lot of on because it doesn't cost that much money. So I really do like this. I think that it really does help fill in my pores a lot, especially like on my nose. It's a definite noticeable difference. Next I have this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. This is just a pencil that I like to apply to my waterline on my eyes and also to my eyelids to make my eyeshadows pop a lot more. I've been using the same thing for, well, not the same pencil, but I've been using this product for years. This is probably like my 6th one. Speaking of using the same product for years, this e.l.f. liquid liner is one that I've been going to. It's been years since I've used anything but this. I'm not saying like it's great, but this is the one that I use every single day. I haven't owned a different eyeliner in so long, and I'm pretty sure this is like $1 or $2. It's really affordable, which is another reason why I like it. It is like a brush tip though, where you have to like, yeah, it's a brush. It's not like a felt tip or anything. So I don't know if that's gonna sway some people's decisions, but if you have an eyeliner that you would recommend to me, please let me know in the comments. And my final 2 products are both Maybelline mascaras. One is the Colossal Big Shot and the other one is the Pumps Up Colossal. This one gives a lot more hold, and this one makes your lashes look more plump and natural and soft looking. So I go to each one for whatever mood I'm in. Today I use this one because I'm wearing falsies, but if I'm not wearing falsies, I will definitely use this one. So that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope that you found some products that you want to try out, and don't forget, let me know some of your favorite drugstore products in the comments below, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And with all that being said, I will see you in my next video very soon.